Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you the website I showed in last few months, but right now I want to share the withdrawal proof. Okay, this is the website link available in description, and you can earn Litecoin from this website, and this is very easy way you can earn Litecoin. Now you can see this much coins I have, and every one coin equal to this much Litecoin, and I have very more Litecoin. This is the wallet address. I put my wallet address. Just go to my dashboard to show you my dashboard, the Faucet payoff dashboard, and right now I want to withdraw my funds, and this website pay me instantly in my Faucet pay. Okay, just I come here, just I click withdraw, and I wait some seconds. This website withdraw my funds. This much Satoshi has been sent to my Faucet pay. Okay, and this is the available balance right now. I go to my Faucet page as I reload the page, and you can see this website pay me instantly, and this much Litecoin I earn. And this is very easy. You can earn from this website, and this website have multiple ways to earn. The first one is the Faucet. You can claim your free Faucet from this website. Okay, every 5 minutes 10 coin and 50 time claim per day. The next one is urdu Faucet. Urdu Faucet is another free way. Every 1 minute pay you 2 coin. Okay, and if you have much more urdu Faucet, you can just come here, just put this on, and you can earn. The next one is the short links. You can earn with the short links. Okay, and I wait to load my short links, and this is the available short links, and this much coin I earn, and this much energy this website pay me if I just visit the all short links available. This much is the all short links available. Okay, not too much. The next one is PTC ads, but in this website PTC ads is not available. Don't worry, because this website don't have PTC ads. Okay, right now maybe some days this website add PTC ads in here. Okay, and you can withdraw your funds in Faucet Pay and Express Crypto, both one, and this is all about this website. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos, and this website link available in description. Bye bye for now.